Common yew restoration in Strandzha. The common yew is one of the rarest evergreen plants among plant species in Strandzha. Only 5 specimens were found in the park, and all of them were male, which meant that natural regeneration was impossible. The Strandzha Nature Park Directorate and WWF set out to change this situation. Common yew cuttings were collected from Strandzha and from the Bulgaria Nature Park, where female specimens occur. They were rooted in a nursery, and in the autumn of 2013, 100 saplings were planted in Strandzha. By 2014, the young plants were in an excellent condition. Strandzha is the first place where this species has been restored to a natural environment. No one has ever worked with 2 other very rare Strandzha plant species, the Caucasian whortleberry and the Black Sea holly. After many ups and downs, we succeeded in producing saplings in a nursery, which we planted in the field. In this way, we enhanced the population of these 3 valuable species for these mountains. We wish them good luck.